In last class we have seen percentage. In this class we will see profit and loss. So this is a very important topic for your competitive exams, especially for your UPSC. Since if you know the okay ground analysis of the UPSC, then you can able to see that the application based, that is a percentage, profit and loss ratio. So these things and all mixed there, and it's coming like a combination. Okay, so therefore you need to get a strong knowledge as well as the basic understanding of a profit and loss. So first of all you need to know about the terminologies. Okay, even though you all know, so then let me give you a small recap of this one. So what do you mean by cost price? The cost price is nothing but suppose this is the person. Okay, this person investing money. So this person is investing money. That money, whatever the money he invests from his end, you can call that as a cost price. Even some article, okay, or object, okay, this person is buying, okay, then that you can call that as a cost price. Then suppose if that person making some changes with respect to the article and then investing, so for example let us see, okay, let us take some bike or anything. Okay, so you are buying that bike for 65,000. Then what you are doing is you are doing additional fittings for 5,000. So the everything, this total together, okay, 70,000. This 70,000 is considered to be a cost price. Okay, whatever the investment you are making on that, or else you are putting on the article, that everything comes under the cost price. Okay, even you can say that transportation also, yes, that also cost price. Okay, any doubt with the cost price means you can ask. Okay, so now let me move on with the selling price. So selling price is nothing but after buying for 70,000, that person is selling the same article with respect to some money. Okay, that you can call it as a article sold. That you can call it as a selling price. Okay, so which means that someone is investing. Okay, for them it is a cost price. For you it is a selling price. Okay, so now next one is you need to know about the marked up price. So marked up price is nothing but you can say this as your, okay, MRP. You can say this as a labeled price. You can say this as a first price. Okay, so if I am writing your first price, so if you want you can expand that one. Okay, for example, so when you are buying the milk, okay, some MRP will be there. Okay, some bread bucket, whatever be the article, some MRP will be there. So some 30 rupees, so that is MRP. Okay, this is labeled price. So now you are asking your 5% discount or 10% discount. Okay, so then 3 rupees, 10%, so then 27 rupee. Okay, so this 27 rupee is nothing but the selling price for that person. So now this 3 rupees is nothing but the discount for that okay, a buyer discount provided by the seller. So this is the MRP. So hope if people are getting right. So why I'm saying this thing is so in near future, okay, I'll give you the formula, then you can able to know why I'm giving this information. Even without formula also you can do the problem. So then now you can say, what do you mean by profit? What do you mean by profit? A profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. That is called a profit. So loss is nothing but when the selling price is lesser than the cost price. Okay, or else yes, then it will give you the loss only. So this is fine, more than enough with respect to the basic. In order to find out the profit percentage, then what you need to do here is selling price minus cost price by, always remember the reference is the cost price, so the denominator should be your cost price. Okay, so you are calculating the profit on CP. This is on CP. Suppose if you are calculating the cost price, okay, and the selling price, here you are going to calculate the profit based on the selling price. So then the reference should be selling price here. If it is not mentioned in the question, then you have to take cost price as the reference. Okay, so last percentage is nothing but simple. You can say that cost price minus selling price. Okay, the same thing happen here. If it is given in the question paper, then you can say the reference is cost price. If it is not given, also cost price. If it is mentioned as the selling price, then only a selling price. Now next one, what you need to know here is you need to know about the marked up price. Okay, or else markup price or marked up price. You can say as a markup price also, not an issue. So let me write as a markup price. A markup price is nothing but a MP minus CP by CP into 100 percentage. Okay, so please take quickly. So what are the things I am providing here? Or else let me give you another one. Suppose what you are doing is you are giving a discount. When you are giving a discount, okay, so what do you mean by discount? A discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. This is already you know. So in order to calculate the discount percentage, then what you need to do is just to find discount by marked price into 100. Or else in another term you can say that MP minus SP divisible by MP. So that is also completely fine. So according to, okay, you can whatever be the thing which is providing here, you can take according to the convenience in the examination hall. You can proceed, or else I'll give you here itself. So this is nothing but a MP minus SP by MP into 100. Okay, this is the discount percentage. Now shall we move on with the next one? So now here, listen carefully. You know the basic terminologies, right? If you know the basics, then fine. If you do not know, means just revise the concept. Okay, so I'll give you, when the selling price and the profit is given, or else profit percentage is given. So listen carefully. So they will ask you to find out the CP. So you can write like this: 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. Suppose when CP and profit percentage is given, in order to find out the SP, Right, simple. You can rearrange this one. 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. That's it. If you know any one of the formula, then easily you can able to find. Now, next one I will provide one concept. This concept is for listen carefully. Understand the concept first. So you are the person here. So you are the person. What you are doing is you are buying. When you are buying some article, you can say that you are buying some A. So this is the object. So you are having what you are having in hand is you are having B rupees only. Rupees B. So this is nothing but the price. In a words you can write a man buys X object with rupees. Okay. So here instead of X you can take A. That is better. So a man buys A object with the rupees B. Okay. Then what that man is doing here is okay, selling is that items for rupees P. For rupees P. Here they will ask you the question whether it gives you a question here is profit or loss percentage. So simple trick is you need to convert into a same quantity. So first step to solve this kind of problems is convert into same quantity. This is the step number 1. Then find respective SP, CP. If SP is greater than CP, then profit. If SP is lesser than CP, then it gives you a loss. You can find out the loss percentage. That's it. So now I'll give you one question. Okay, or else let me do one question so that you people will okay. So first of all, listen carefully. Let me give you here. So now 11 oranges.
Sir, last slide.
Huh? You are writing?
Uh, yes, sir. This one.
Okay, fine.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now listen carefully. The 11 oranges are bought for rupees 10 and sold at 10 for rupees 11. Now, what is the gain or loss percentage? They will put out a question like this. So now I will tell you the best method or simpler method. So then here what you need to do here is just make a quantity. So what is the quantity here? 11 here. Then here the quantity is 10 here. So when you are doing okay purchasing activity means what? This is the cost price, right? When you are selling means that this is the cost price. Now this is the selling price. Now what you need to do, what is this first step I have provided?
Convert into same quantity.
Make the same quantity. So in order to make the same quantity, just you need to take a LCM between these two, or else simply multiply this number here, simply multiply this number here, same. Okay, likewise whatever the number you are multiplying here, that should be multiplied with respect to the respective CP and the respective SP. Simple. So let us take this as a equation number 1, let us take this as a equation number 2. So in what is the LCM? 110. So in order to make a 110, what we have to do? First equation we have to multiply with this one, so therefore here 100. Second equation we have to multiply with 11, so 110. So 11 11 127. So now we made a quantity as the same in order to find the profit, or okay, now this is the CP, now this is the SP. Here clearly you can see that SP is greater than CP. Obviously it will gives you a profit only. So how can you calculate the profit percentage? SP minus CP, reference is CP, into 100. So therefore SP minus CP here is nothing but 21. Then what is the CP? 100 into 100. So 100 and 100 cancel. So therefore 21% is the profit. So everyone understanding this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now I will give you one question. You people try, so that that would be better. Okay. Now let me give you a question. If okay, fine. Shall I give you a question, or else overall I will give you? Overall I will give you, so that you people will do. So now you understood this concept, so that let me complete the concept first fully.
Yes, sir.
That is better. So now I'll give you the next concept here. So now listen carefully. The cost price of here, the cost price of, okay, some X article, let us take out X article, is equal to selling price of Y article. They will ask you to find profit percentage or loss percentage. So here you can use the same concept here. So some people will say X minus Y by Y. These things are not required. If you know this logic, same whatever we have done previously, that also you can apply here. So first of all, let me give you the question, so that you people will have some idea. So now cost price of 15 banana, which is equal to selling price of 12 banana. Now listen carefully. Here the articles are same. Okay, the articles are same. So now in order to find out that, so simply use the same. Okay, so 15 here, 12 here. Then what is the price here? Price here, you don't know that cost price, take it as 100. Simple. If you don't know, you can take it as 100. Selling price, it's a here selling price is same. So therefore here, so here what happening is just quantity changes. So now what we have to do, we have to make the quantity as same. In order to make the quantity as the same, then what we can do, we can take a LCM. So LCM here is nothing but what? 60. Or else you can multiply like this. So if you know the LCM, then that is the better. Okay, LCM here is 60. Simple. Then take this as a first equation, take this as a second equation. Now first equation into 4, here 60, so here 400. Now second equation into 5 60 here 500. So this is with respect to cost price, this is with respect to selling price. So here selling price is greater than the cost price, so therefore profit occurs 100 by 400 into 100. So 1 by 4 into 100, 1 by 4 is nothing but 25 percentage. So therefore profit is equal to 25 percentage. Now shall I give you one question?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will give you one question. You people try this question. So it's a simple whatever. Okay. Suppose if the cost price of 12 chocolate is equal to selling price of 8 chocolate, find percentage profit or percentage loss. Find percentage profit or percentage loss.
So 50%.
50%. So here quantity 12, 8, P 100, 100. So what is the LCM? 24.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
LCM is 24. Therefore you can make first equation into 2, 24, 200. You can take 1000 also, not an issue. Price here you can take a equal price, but easier one. Okay, don't take a difficult one. So 300. So here CP here, this is SP here. Obviously SP is greater than CP, profit occur. So profit percentage is equal to subtract this one 100 by 200 into 100. 1 by 2 into 100, 1 by 2 into 100 is nothing but 50 percentage. Now let me give you another question. Try this one. Try this question. So here a person incurs a loss of 5 percentage by selling a watch for rupees 1140. At what price? At what price the watch be sold to earn 5 percentage profit? To earn a 5 percentage profit. 5 percentage profit. Five percentage profit. We don't know the actual cost price. Find out the cost price. If you find the cost price, then it would be easy. Shall I proceed? Are you people doing?
So solving. Wait.
Fine. Fine.
Sir, 1260.
Wrong. So 300 or 1200?
1200.
1200 means correct. 1260 is correct. So now listen. I don't know the cost price of this one. Okay. So here, let us take this as a 100%. So what you are doing here, 5% loss. So 5 rupees. So now, okay, take this as 100. Okay. So cost price, I don't know. Take this as a X. So 95%. This 95% is nothing but this one. So 95% of X, which is equal to, so this is nothing but cost price, this is nothing but selling price. 95% of X is equal to this one, then X is equal to 1140 into 100 by 95, right? So getting this one, now
1200. Value of X is 1200.
you are getting
1200.
1200.
Yes, sir.
So in this way you are getting 1200.
Yes, sir.
Fine. This is one way. I will tell you another way also if you want. So now you know the cost price. You know the cost price. Now the thing is, you need to find out the at what price the watch should be sold. You need to find out the second one. So now this is the cost price. So now this is 100. Now here 1200. This is nothing but the cost price. What you are doing here is 5% profit. So 5. So 105%. So this you need to calculate. Understood or not? 105% of 1200 is equal to X. So X is nothing but selling price. So you can say 100 into this one, you can cancel this one. So 105 into 12. So this is nothing but 1260. This is the one method. So therefore this is selling price. Anybody need a answer with by using the any other method? This method you can call it as a PCG method. This method will help you to solve any kind of question without any formula. If you want a formula method, I will teach you the formula method. So here I will teach you the formula method also, so that you will have some idea how to proceed in the examination if you don't know the. Okay, now what is the profit loss percentage? So now loss is nothing but a 5%, but you know the selling price. you know selling price is equal to 1400. In this situation, what you need to do, you need to find out the cost price. So in order to find out the cost price, then what you need to do, 100 minus loss by 100 into SP. That's it. So here 5% if you have to subtract, therefore this is also fine, but here you need to remember the formula. So therefore here also CP you will get a 1200. So now for this CP you need to find out the SP. So SP is equal to what? 100 by 100 plus P into CP. Why am plus your, since it is given the in the question as a 5% profit. So the P is equal to 5%. So then a CP just now you have found. So now you can use the SP. So therefore 105. Whether we need to find out the SP or SP only, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Second case you need to find out the SP. So now wait. In order to find out the SP, it should be in the
Sir?
denominator or numerator.
Yes.
Sir, 100 plus P by 100.
Yes, correct. So 100 plus P by
100.
100.
100. Yes, sir.
Then this one we have to change, na? First one
Yes.
also.
Yes, sir.
First
No,
one we have to change, 100 by, isn't it? Am I right?
Yes, sir. 100.
100 by 100 minus L. Suppose if you are using this method. So please be aware of the formula. I am not good with the formula. I will use some without formula method is very good. Sometimes you may forget. So therefore use this one. Always don't be don't go be begin with the formula. So then here what you need to do, the 100 should be in the denominator. So therefore 105 here, therefore 100 here. So the answer here is 1 2. So this is the required answer. One more method is also there, but more than enough, no? These two methods. Fine, two methods. If okay means I will give you another question.
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
give you another question? Now
Yes,
listen
sir.
very carefully. So now what you are doing is you are going to the shop. Here shopkeeper, what he is doing is fixing the mark price. Fixing the market price. What is doing fixing market price of the item is 35% above the cost price. Above the cost price. Then the percentage of a discount or else a discount. So let us take a discount. The percentage of the discount allowed to gain 8% is, shopkeeper fixes a marked price of an item 35% above its CP. The percentage of the discount allowed to gain 8% is, allowed to gain 8% is. In this situation, suppose if you don't know the cost price, you can take a 100 also. You can take a 100. Suppose I don't know the cost price, so I am taking as a cost price as 100. 35% means that is the MP, right? So now the MP will become a 135 automatically. Okay. Then you know, so what is the gain percentage? Gain is equal to, see, always remember the gain is what? Selling price minus
Cost price.
Okay, cost price.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the thing here. Listen, gain is equal to cost price plus
Profit.
profit. Is it?
Hmm.
Is it? Here
SP minus CP is equal
profit
to
is
P.
equal to SP minus CP. Right. Selling price is equal to what? Cost price plus profit. Understood are these things, these terminologies?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the selling price, or else first of all you write the gain here. So gain is what? 8%. Easily gain means profit. Then you can easily find out the SP. So now what is the SP here? After knowing this one, SP is equal to what? Cost price plus gain. Gain is 8 rupees. So therefore 108 rupees. Now what has been provided in the basic I have provided? What is the discount? MP minus
SP.
MP
Selling
minus
SP.
price.
SP. Clear? Calculate MP minus SP. Okay, that is the discount. Discount here is what? 135 minus 108, so which is equal to 27. In order to calculate the discount percentage, what you need to do? MP minus CP by MP.
MP.
Please remember and please take notes. So that's why I have said here also in the beginning itself I have mentioned you need to take your notes. So this is the formula here. Okay, please remember. Now after knowing this one, easily you need to find out the discount percentage. So discount percentage is nothing but what? 27 by 135 into 100 percentage.
So 25, 20%. Sorry.
Huh?
20%.
20 percentage.
20%, sir. Yes,
You can
sir.
say 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equal to 20 percentage. This model okay wa? With one question.
So
Yes, sir.
percentage discount will be MP minus SP now.
Huh?
Percentage discount MP minus SP.
MP minus SP. Okay. Fine. Okay wa? This
Yes, sir.
model okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose this concept what you need to do here is remember this concept. This concept is a very important concept, and also some terminologies are also very important. Listen carefully. If a person take as it is, whatever I am writing, take as it is. If a person sells two similar article, that is very important word. Same similar articles. Bike means bike. Bike one, bike two. So like this. Okay, not two different articles. So please remember two similar article. Here what happened is one at a gain of X percentage, another at the loss of X percentage. So here gain percentage and loss percentage is same. Remember one thing here, always a seller in this case always has a loss only. Please remember 50% of the options eliminated. Seller as a loss only. Okay, so that in order to find out the loss percentage you can use this one. Loss percentage is equal to x by 10 the whole square. Don't bother about anything else. Okay, don't bother about anything else. Now I'll give you a question. Okay, shall I give you question?
Yes,
If
sir.
you will try, here itself I'll give a
Yes, sir.
Okay, here itself I'll give. Listen, a shopkeeper. See, the word may change. Shopkeeper, a dealer. So like this, they will change. A Ramesh, whatever. They will put whatever the name also here. Sold two items. Okay, for rupees. See, don't bother about rupees and all. For rupees 10,000. So now one of them he loses 20 percentage. Another he gain 20 percentage. Now the thing is gain or loss percentage in the net transaction. Net means overall. Okay, net transaction was. Net transaction was?
So 4% loss.
Yes, of course. 4% loss. See, don't bother about the options. So they will give you option. 2 percentage loss. 2 percentage gain. 4 percentage loss. 4 percentage gain. Simple, listen. You can eliminate two options first. Okay, since it always gives you a loss only. So in order to find out the loss percentage, then what you need to do, here x is nothing but 20. So 20 by 10 the whole square, cancel 0 0. 2 square is nothing but 4 percentage. Therefore 4 percentage is loss only occurs here. Hope people getting right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so next thing here is I'll give you this one. So now a shopkeeper owns a profit owns a profit of 12% on selling a book at a 10% discount on labeled price. Discount on labeled price. The ratio of the cost price to the printer price. Printer price is nothing but what? Labeled price. So please remember the word may change like this also of the book is. So that's why I mentioned previously itself marked price, MRP, labeled price, printer price, everything is related to the MRP. Okay, don't get a confusion here. That's it. Where a shopkeeper earns a profit of 12% on selling price, a book selling price, a book at 10% discount on labeled price. The ratio of the cost price to the printer price. The ratio of the cost price to the printer price. Done, you people? You people done means I will.
So can you give options for the answer?
You want option, huh?
Yes, sir.
Fine, I'll give you. 45 is to 56, 50 is to 61, 90 is to 97, 99 is to 125.
So 50 is to 61.
50 is to 61. How?
Sir, I took CPS 100, so SP I
No, no,
found
no.
out as
So what
112.
is the actually equate the SPs? What is the SPO? First case. This much of article. Okay, this much of cost price. Okay, 112 percentage of cost price is equal to the selling price.
Yes, sir.
So here, what happened here with respect to this one? I don't know this one. This is nothing but a Y. MRP. MRP minus discount is nothing but what? Selling price. Equate the selling price. That's it. 90 percentage of Y. Simple. 1112 of X. So of means what? Multiplication. That's it. Understanding or not? Equating the selling price. That is what I'm mentioning here. See, you know the selling price concept. Selling price is equal to what? Marked up price minus discount,
Yes,
isn't it?
sir.
Here also cost price, this much of profit,
A is
that
the
gives you
answer.
selling price.
So A, 45 ratio 56.
Correct.
Yes.
Understood? Equate the selling price. That's it.
Sir,
Hmm.
so discount is equal to market price minus selling price. So if we use the selling price, what we got is 112 in the first one. If we use it
Selling
here, then
price.
the mark price becomes discount plus selling price, that is 10 plus 112, 122.
No, that is discount percentage. So you have to
Okay,
keep
okay,
it
okay.
like upon
Under
MP
under
also.
cancel.
Ha,
Then you need
ha.
to find
Yeah.
out the X by Y. So the question here
Okay,
is
okay.
cost price. So this X is nothing but the cost price.
Yes, sir.
Printer price is nothing but a Y. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is nothing
Thank
but
you.
MRP. This is nothing but CP. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So 90 by 112. 90 by 112 you can cancel with the two table, then 45 by 56. People understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next one.
So could you go back to the previous slide just for a second? Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Now the question. You have learned some concept here. We have done one problem also here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to do the some extension of that concept itself. Now listen carefully. Now let me take. Okay, Manika. Okay, Manika bought. Okay, so Manika bought apple at the rate of 8 for rupees 34. Okay, don't say not possible. Just taking for your question purpose. Now sold them at the rate of 12 for rupees 57. Now, how many apple should be sold? Should be sold to earn a net profit of rupees 45. So this model we have done. This much of article you bought for this much rupees, and Z article sold for P rupees. Then what will you do? First of all, you need to find out the gain. What is the gain amount? So find out the gain amount. Then we will calculate the rest of the things here. That gain is nothing but a. So you people do or else I will do
Yes, sir, solving.
fine.
So gain is 12.
Okay, that 12 is equal to what? LCM of what is the LCM? What is the LCM actually?
So LCM is 24 because 8
That
and
12.
12.
That 12 is equal to, you need to equate the 12 with respect to the LCM.
40.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Huh. So
So therefore,
130 apples.
rupees 12 is for 24 apples.
Huh. So,
Then rupees 45 is for, calculate the 1. So rupee 1 is equal to what? Rupee 1 is equal to 24 by 12. Understood?
yes, sir.
Then rupee 45 is equal to 24 by 12 into 45.
130.
How 130?
So x will be equal to 24 into 45 by 12.
Hmm?
X will be equal to 24 into 45 by 12.
Hmm.
So 90 apples.
Hmm.
Answer is 90.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, 90 is correct.
Oh, sorry. Multiplication. So 90.
Okay. 90. So everybody getting how to do this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll do here. So therefore the previous concept also applies here. So please remember, don't forget or don't think that it's a new one. No. So here quantity 8 here, 12 here, price has been provided here 34, here 57.
Yes, sir. 57.
So the LCM is nothing but the quantity. So now the LCM is what? 24.
24.
For 24, okay, we are calculating. So now how can we calculate this one? 3, right? So
Yes, sir.
24, 24. Yeah, 3 times what? 1 not 1 to
1 not 2.
1 not 2. Fine. So here 2,
114.
okay. Here 2 times here 114. So profit is equal to what?
114 minus 102.
So 12. Okay, fine. 12. Okay, this is for 12 rupees. So 12 rupees is equal to 24 apple. So rupee 1 is equal to 24 by
12.
12. You can say which is equal to,
2.
so which means that for rupee 1 you can able to buy 2 apples. For rupee 45 you can able to buy 90 apples. Understood?
Yes, sir.
How many apples should be sold for this one? So like this, for rupees 45, they are selling 90 apples. So understood the concept means we will move on with the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
move on with the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm moving with the next one. So now you people answer quickly. Oranges are bought at the rate of 6 for rupees 5. Okay, sold at the rate of 5 for rupees 6. Find percentage profit or percentage loss. Find percentage profit or loss.
So 44% profit.
Yes,
44
sir.
percentage profit. So everybody getting 44 percentage. So I'm writing the answer, not giving the explanation, since you people know this one. So answer is 44 percentage profit, right?
Yes, sir.
So anybody having a doubt here? If you are having a doubt, please clarify now itself whatever you learned. Done, right? So
Yes, sir.
shall we move on with the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this one we will do. Now my question is on selling an article of rupees 170, a shopkeeper lose 15 percentage. Now in order to gain 20 percentage, he must sell that article at rupees what? He must sell that article for rupees what? He must sell that article for rupees. Actually, what you need to find out here, selling price has been provided, loss also provided.
So 240 rupees.
240 is what?
SP selling price.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, fine. So now understand the simple logic here. What happened here? So first of all, find out the cost price here. I don't know cost price. So let us take this as a x. Here take this as a 100. Loses 15%. So what is the 15%? 15. Subtract. So therefore 85% amount is nothing but rupees 170.
170.
So therefore 85% of x is nothing but rupees 170. 85 by 100 into x is equal to 170. Can you cancel this as a 2? So therefore x is equal to 200. Now
200.
you have found the cost price is equal to 200. Now in order to gain 20%, he must sell that article. Listen carefully. Okay. So you know the cost price, simple, 200. What is the 20%? 40. So now what is going to be the SP? 240. This is the SP. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. Without formula also you can do. With formula also you can do. So now let me give you the another question. You people try this question. An article is sold at a loss of 10%. Had it been sold for rupees 9 more, so there would have been a gain of 12.5% on it. Find the cost price of the article. Cost price of the article. So this is 12.5. An article is sold at the loss of 10%. Had it been sold for rupees 9 more, there would have been a gain of 12.5% on it. Find the cost price of the article. Find the cost price of the article. Sorry. How could you calculate this one? Loss means minus 90%. Okay. So this is nothing but CP. Then had it been sold for rupees 9 more, then it would be a gain of this one. 12.5%. 12.5%. So here what has been provided? Difference has been provided. What is the difference here? 112. Okay. Percentage of CP minus 90% of the CP. So this difference is nothing but 9. This has been provided. Now 112.5 100 into CP, 90 by 100 into CP is equal to 9. So now what is the numerator? 22.5, yeah. 22.5 CP, which is equal to what? 900. Then CP is equal to what? 900 by 22.5. So what would be the answer? 4 times, right? 4 times.
Yes, sir.
One,
40 will
one
be cost
decimal you
price.
can cancel here. Okay, fine. So directly also you can find 40. Therefore, cost price is equal to rupees 40. So now you have learned the basics, right? So anybody having a doubt with respect to the basics, whatever learned today? If you're having any doubts, you can ask. No doubt means we'll wind up. Tomorrow we'll see some other concepts. Okay, some other topic also. If you're having doubt, we can ask. Or else I will give you some time here. Okay.